Longvida optimized curcumin was developed by neuroscientists as a solution to address the standard curcumin absorption issues. Longvida has clinically shown delivery of free curcumin into the bloodstream and target tissues, with additional studies suggesting Longvida impacts multiple targets responsible for cognitive function during normal aging. Longvida's low single daily dose delivers free curcumin, equating to more than 65 times the bioavailability of 95% curcuminoids, supporting cognitive and general health. Verdure Science's 360-degree quality focuses on the traceability of supply chain and quality testing of Longvida. First, the turmeric root is grown on contracted farms, mostly family farms, in the region of South India known for its production of spices over thousands of years of history. Verdure audits the farm and manufacturing operations, ensuring materials are controlled and traceable throughout the supply chain. Once materials arrive to the United States, they are inspected and tested again for conformity to Verdure standards. Material parameters, based on the research from the UCLA Alzheimer's Disease Research Center, are crucial to the optimization of curcumin. Curcumin in its native form is virtually insoluble in water and lacks stability. In order to be bioavailable, a compound must be soluble in the small intestine, because undissolved solids cannot pass into the bloodstream. Curcumin in its native form degrades rapidly in the alkaline conditions of the small intestine. It deactivates through the metabolic pathway known as glucuronidation. In collaboration with UCLA, we have found curcumin can only be permeable under the right conditions, if it is kept stable and soluble in the small intestine to be absorbed, limiting deactivation.
One of the big issues whenever you're talking about any curcumin product is how much actually gets in and does something. In this case, giving the Longvida, again, at not really high doses, we got a variety of effects. So obviously, a good amount of active ingredient is getting into the bloodstream. And seemingly, the way the Longvida is prepared, which is quite different than most curcumin products, that seems to give a very active product that has effects.
During typical digestion, compounds pass through the pathway of absorption from the small intestine to the portal vein and directly into the liver. When the body metabolizes curcumin in the liver and gut, it quickly attaches a sugar molecule, or glucuronide, to curcumin, effectively inactivating it. However, in the metabolism of Longvida, thanks to patented SLCP technology, the combination of specific types of lipids allows curcumin to dissolve and remain stable during absorption. Solid lipid curcumin particle technology, or SLCP, is inspired by the research on solid lipid microparticles. In this process, natural curcumin is carefully extracted from the turmeric root, combined in a specific way with 3 types of lipids. The combination of these allows curcumin to permeate tissue, leading to substantial uptake of free, unglucuronidated curcumin. In a human pharmacokinetic study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2010, a single dose of Longvida containing about 125 milligrams of curcumin was given to humans, and their blood tested for free curcumin. Using a fully validated HPLC method, the test showed the dose of Longvida led to more than 65 times greater levels of free curcumin in blood, compared to an equivalent amount of curcumin from an extract standardized for 95% curcuminoids. There are many benefits of free curcumin passing the blood-brain barrier. To touch briefly on Longvida research, a 2012 study published in Nutrition Journal by Dr. Robert DiSilvestro and colleagues at The Ohio State University was one of the first to show a nutritional intervention can improve amyloid beta levels in middle-aged adults. Multiple markers key for healthy brain aging, like oxidative stress, physiological stress, and inflammation, were improved within a short period. Top-tier research studies like the one from Ohio State, along with a superior tolerability and safety profile, makes Longvida the cognitive curcumin of choice. Longvida is one of the few enhanced curcumin products to undergo long-term safety trials, and this data has been published in top journals. Longvida does not contain alkaloids like piperin, turmeric volatile oils, polysorbate, cyclodextrin, or synthetic additives. Longvida is an exclusive patented product of Verdure Sciences.